3. In this video, I'll show you how to revoke token approvals in Metamask. First, open Metamask and unlock your wallet. Then open the Portfolio section, or Metamask's token approval tools, to review the permissions connected to your wallet. Next, connect the wallet you want to manage and select the correct blockchain network. Look through the list of token approvals and find the decentralized application, or dApp, that you no longer want to have access to your tokens. After that, select the token approval you want to remove. Review the token, the connected dApp, and the approved spending amount before continuing. Now choose Revoke or the available option to remove the approval. Metamask will ask you to confirm the transaction. Review the network fee, then confirm the transaction in your wallet. Next, wait for the blockchain transaction to be confirmed. Once it's complete, refresh the approval list and verify that the permission has been removed or that the approved amount is no longer available. Finally, repeat these steps for any other approvals you don't or no longer need. Only revoke approvals you understand, and make sure you're using the correct wallet and network before confirming transactions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to revoke token approvals in Metamask. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.